Sex on the bag, smile on my face when your deal go bad.
Let her warm up for a minute. Get my window defrosted, and we can take off. Later on the day, gotta go get a water filter for my fridge. That's later though. So we leave this car show and stuff. Put that back there. Whatever. Got the subs back here. Perfect. Yeah, this thing. I gotta FaceTime my brody. Any other cars? We're gonna skip this out for right now. I'm not buying nothing from you. Wasting money. I want to buy something I can get something for free. Oh, it looks like a charge over here. No sir. Where's the donut shop at? Give me some donuts.
Enjoy the show. Thanks for everybody coming out.
Old school. Talk about that. Nice cold truck. Probably got some power too. Nice headlights. Looking good. Like all these trucks. Nice F100 460. Nice. GTO. Got all the classics back here. Hopefully this video ain't gonna be too long for y'all. Hopefully you guys enjoying it. Jesus Christ. Jesus. I could turn the camera around. Ain't nothing to see on this side. I figured switch it up where this way we're talking to the camera instead of just playing, you know, a video, a music thing. That gets old after a while.
It's a very big engine.
Look like it came out of a Camaro. Yeah. Yes.
First show in 2 decades.
You want to piss off people? Go into the Oldsmobile Club and tell them you're going to put an LS in your car.
Cheap power. Huh. Anyhow. Another LS. Yes, sir.
Find out at top of the 1 hour.
This cup finna go down. My hand finna go back in my pocket. Getting the cold again. And I gotta go get breakfast. I ain't ate yet. Then we gonna lift some weights. Oh, Jesus. Jesus Christ. I ain't even know the price. Alright. I don't see the Pontiac. The newer one that was over here. The newer Firebird. Custom one. Guess it ain't here. Huh. No turbo. I seen this car last time. They had it all sitting up in the back last time. Not this time. They got it lower now. Nice. Nice paint job. Orange. Like that. How much?
It's free.
Oh, sure. Free car charger. I'll plug it in the socket just to have him in the socket just for the heck of it. Well, clear, it's cool. It's a cool car. The price could drop though to 100K. Then maybe I would buy it. But as 100K, I'm not buying that. No. Not when I can get the Corvette for like 70, the newer one. No, it's not gonna happen, dude. No. That Caffeine hard. Anyhow, we walked down all these aisles, look like. You guys have to see a lot. Yep. Alright. Oh, you guys should not see the truck though. I didn't even get to show you guys this. Over here. Got the Hellcat over there. Got the, oh, you ain't seen that, the Bentley Beast. Okay. Still don't look as hard as Corey's truck though. It's alright. Paint job is just normal, whatever. I don't know if I showed y'all this or not. This don't have motor, but I'm gonna show y'all something. Ooh, I didn't even see that when I saw it. Look at that. 15s look like that there. All right, be back in a sec. Jeeps look wonderful. You got this small block Jeep over here. Looks wonderful. Small block Chevy. You can always sell a Chevy by the distributor in the back. Nice Jeeps. Got your radios. Go anywhere with that thing. I might be actually interested in getting a Jeep. A CJ or something. Throwing a small block into it. Look at this thing.
It's a long story.
Oh, okay.
Needed the money, Rob.
That's basically what it was.
Right.
Nice.
Yeah.
Got all the Jeeps over here. Got the 6'2", 6'3", something like that.
Not right now.
He drops back and forth.
Huh. Being put together still, actually. Coming together, it looks like. Piece by piece. Take your time and they'll eventually get together. It's a nice truck right there. With a 5.7. Wasn't expecting that. Wonder what the interior will look like. I like the seats. Might add to put new seats in my truck. Nice. Okay. Gold grill. Nice. Okay. Alright. I'll post that picture. Look at that. Dang. Sheesh. Gotta get a picture. Pit stop. I'll get something later. Not from there. Nope. It is serving hot dogs and burgers. No thank you. I don't want that. We're gonna tow you away. Should not have parked here.